So now we'll be starting with the girls' introduction round, where the contestant will be introducing themselves to you as well as all the judges present around. So, ladies and gentlemen, please get ready, brace yourself. Start with the first introduction round, the girls' round. Music.
Being yourself in a world that's constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Good evening. I am Megha Madhu coming from Kerala. I'm currently working as a junior architect. Dancing, singing, travel and photography are some things that excites me. I have been fascinated by modeling since childhood, but my circumstances were as such that I had to wait to make my dream a reality. I believe that it's never too late. I have been bullied for my shy and quiet nature, and some people thought that I won't make it in life. But I'm still the same person, and the only thing that has changed is that I have taken my power back and I have started accepting myself. Do not let anyone tell you that you can't do something in life. If you want something, go get it. Period.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सिमरन है और मैं हिमाचल की रहने वाली हूँ। वर्तमान में मैं बेंगलोर में रह रही हूँ और मुझे मॉडलिंग करना बहुत पसंद है। यह मेरे लिए एक भाव है, एक कला है और मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है।
Dream is not something that we see in sleep. It's something that doesn't let us sleep. Good evening, everyone. I'm Tanushri Roy from the city of Joy, Kolkata. I'm 23 years old. Recently, I have completed my BSc Nursing course from Bangalore. My hobbies include singing, gardening, and cooking. Belonging from a small traditional Bengali family where modeling is not included into so-called reputed profession, my journey to the dream was not so easy. But my battle was more within myself and I never gave up. From a shy, introverted girl, I emerged as a strong, independent personality, just like a butterfly from its pupa. I always believe that nothing happens to you, everything happens for you. Whether it is good or bad, it's give you a new opportunity to reveal your personality, new experience, to think, to teach yourself a new thing. And that's how I became my own motivation. And today, I'm standing here all proudly, passionately, confidently. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for this.
Hi, my name is Saras Chandrika, 17-year-old from Andhra Pradesh. My height is 5'5", and I'm a science student and being modeling simultaneously. For me, modeling is like my second hobby, and becoming a doctor is my professional thing. So I always used to have many talents like singing, dancing, art, etc. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening, everyone. My name is Haripriya. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm software engineer by profession, but actor come model by passion. My profession taught me do update and upgrade yourself every day. I believe in that. And I love movies. I'm crazy movie lover and hodophile by nature. Coming from very normal background, I fought every day and defeated every challenge which came into my way. I have drawn inspiration from my past that made me what I am today.
as a strong and confident woman to stand here. As like any other girl, my mom is my biggest inspiration. She is my source of power. I believe in a quote, do not let your dreams remain as dreams. I will not. That's why I'm standing here. Thank you all. Love you all.
A girl full of dreams and passion standing here today to fulfill her biggest one. So, I am Pallavi and I am from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, which is known for art. I have always been drawn towards art, dance, and music. And I always believe dreams are chased by only hard work and not by miracles. So, all these factors made me stand me who I am here. And thank you.
Take care of your costume, then your confidence will take care of itself. Hello everyone, I'm Bhumi Shetty. I'm 17 years old, studying in 11th grade in Honors Composite PU College. I'm also an aspirant of CA. Coming to my hobbies, I love dancing and exploring new things. The biggest strength in me is being confident and bringing positive impact over negative circumstances. The guiding star of my life are my parents, who taught me sacrifice, love, and courage. Though I have faced a lots of ups and downs, I have never looked back, and my ultimate goal is to be Miss India, represent my country in Miss World. Thank you, everyone.
A girl of 18 years old who was scared of being independent turned out as a self-made and optimistic because she realized life is beyond life and the significance is to live it without hesitation. I, Anjali Vorde, standing proudly in front of you all, striving hardly to formulate my life with goals and to make history remember me as a story of unstoppable spirit. Thank you, everyone.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Swati Kumari. I'm 21 years old. Born and brought up in the steel city of India, Jamshedpur. Currently, I am pursuing BSc Biotechnology. The most song that I admired most is Ek Zindagi from Angrezi medium, which says, "One life, 100 dreams, and I am going to achieve it all." It is believed that everyone's journey is different from each other. Mine was really unpredictable. From being a shy introvert girl to a confident young woman standing in front of you all, who left all her fears and barriers behind and carried her dreams in her eyes. From my journey that I have learned one thing. If you want to fly, just believe in your wings, more than the fear of fall. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I was created to create beautiful smiles. Hi, I'm Sushmita, 22 years old, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Dental Surgery from Ambedkar Dental College and Hospital. I'm a person who has been bullied for being so skinny, but I never let my mind bully my body because I always believe in myself, and believing in yourself is the first secret to success. And I know my world is not decided by the size of my waist. Ever since I was a kid, I wanted to do everything. I wanted to become a doctor. I wanted to play badminton. I wanted to be a fashion model. I wanted to become everything that I could think of. Being blessed with this human life, all I wanted to do is be socially relevant and inspire others by using this prestigious platform. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Bhavna, I'm 26 years old. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, which is called as Rice Bowl of India. always believe myself to be with lot of feelings and experiences in my life. Feelings can be good, bad, worst, and also the best. From the day I born to now, whatever the experiences and the feelings which I have gone through in my life, with each and every person and myself are especially to myself are very special to me. So I don't want to regret any day in my life because good feelings given me the happiness, bad feelings given me the experiences, worst feelings taught me the lessons, and the best feelings given me the memories. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Good evening, everyone. I am Nirmala from Royal City, Mysore. I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in BBA Aviation Management. My hobbies are dancing and explore new places and meet new people. Modeling is my passion. I believe that if you follow your passion, success follows you. And that's the reason I am here today. Thank you.
Ellarigu namaskara. Good evening, everyone. My name is something that brings new bright and light to the first month of spring. Can anybody guess my name? Anybody? Anyone? Okay, I'm Chaitra, basically from Bangalore. I'm a BB graduate, Corona batch. And I'm a quality analyst by profession. And modeling is my passion, and that's why I'm here. I'm just a girl who thought to go for it. I'm a situational phobia person and self-motivator. That's my strength and also my weakness. I'm that person who believes what you think, you become. And which is beautifully said in my mother tongue, which sounds like Ennam pol valkai, Ennam pol tan valkai. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Smile is the prettiest thing that you can wear. Hello everyone, my name is Inchira L and I'm 22 years old. I'm currently pursuing my undergraduate degree in Bachelor's of Dental Surgery in Bangalore. Growing up, I was a curious kid who was always intrigued by stars. No dependence on others, they make their own lives. I too wanted to shine among my peer group, so I decided to learn dance and music. In dance, I chose one of India's classical dance forms, Bharatanatyam, and in music, Carnatic music. I put my hands a little in sports field as well. I found immense joy in whatever the things I chose to do. Finishing what I started and giving my 100% to my choice has been my greatest strength. I practice yoga to keep my body and mind in a harmony. Hard work, compassion, and mindfulness have always been my thing. I'm open to learning new things and working on myself for becoming a better person every day. If your goal demands you to walk through hell, work with confidence and work as if you own the place. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I am Lakshita, which means distinguished. I think my parents very well knew that I would be distinguished in life. I am currently pursuing first year engineering in CS. I usually spend most of my time playing some sport. I would call myself a fitness freak. I have a pet dog named Abby, and spending time with him and traveling along with him is one of my favorite things to do. I love meeting new people. I feel like each one has a story to tell. Also, it wasn't an easy task for me to be here right now. I had lost 30 kgs and I had to build up my confidence and battle all my insecurities. I am 100% sure that me being here right now would inspire so many people to start chasing their dreams. For a very long time, I knew that modeling was something that was meant for me. And I am never going to settle for anything less than the best. Also, I would like to end this by saying, do not go where there is a path. Go where there is no path and leave yourself a trail. Thank you.
If you try to be normal, you will never know how amazing you are. Hi there, I'm Ritika, tall enough to make you all guys look up to me to see me. I'm from Varangal, where Rani Rudrama Devi was born. I'm pursuing my architecture, and I'm also an NCC cadet who wants to represent India and walk on Rajpath. And I was born with seeing three strong women, one my mom sitting over here, and grandmother and my aunt. I came up so many criticisms about my height, and I'm a stage fear. I never spoke up on a stage. This is the first time I'm speaking in front of a lot of guys, and I'm shivering literally. I can't even see into someone's eyes and talk also, but today I overcome everything, and I'm standing in front of you all, and here I am. Thank you.
Let's put your hands together for all the 16 contestants taking part for this beauty pageant.